Hi everyone, I'm Nancy and
Anastasia's doing her lunch.
Anastasia's doing her lunch. So today, sorry, did a real quick lunch. I had pizza dough that I had made and put in the freezer, and I took it out for 2 days, let it thaw out and everything. There she is. So that's her pizza.
Stop cutting my face off. Stop cutting my face off.
Here's that beautiful face. Y'all remember that commercial?
Yes,
That's that beautiful bean footage. The beautiful face. Yeah, there's stuff everywhere. We're trying to clean up. You know, that time of year after Christmas and everything.
Pick up some pepperoni. Nom 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 nom.
You just need to clean things and straighten things and figure out where to put the new things. So that's one thing we're doing. She's got a lot of schoolwork this week. So we've been trying to make videos. So after this research paper is done, oh my goodness, we'll be back up and running. So I'm going to show y'all my pizza I made.
Pizza.
I had fried onions that I fried. I used that in the Ninja. Then I cooked my chicken in the Ninja. Put that on with just cheese. I don't have any pizza sauce. So when I grow tomatoes this year, I'll make my own pizza sauce. There we go. She has a pepperoni pizza, and I have a
pepperoni and cheese, no sauce.
Chicken and onion pizza. Kind of weird, but you know, you use what you got. So I hope everybody's.
Don't cut my face off.
Huh?
Don't cut my face off.
Don't cut your face off. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day.
I have a little mug I want to show you. Look, I got the mug right here. Here's my mug.
There's her mug. How do you like it? If you like it, leave a comment down below.
It's pink and teal.
It's pink and teal.
Well, it's supposed to be pink and teal, but you know the postal service.
Yes, we do. So we hope y'all are having.
I'm about to retrieve a letter. It's time for her to read a letter with a big hornhole through it. They're supposed to land gently on my nose, but you know the postal service.
That's right, we know the postal service. This pizza's still hot, so
I have to wait an extra week because my package gets destroyed, mailman.
Really good. So there we go. That's our lunch for the day. Something that you can do, make pizza dough. Wrap it up in wax paper or parchment paper, which one you ever have. Put it in the freezer, and then when you're ready to make pizza one day, just take out the dough ahead of time, let it thaw out, and then there you go. You got ready-made pizza dough. So, if you haven't, and you would like to, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications.
If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. We'll see you next time on our treasure home. The video's over. Goodbye.
Oh, what she said. Like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on our treasure home.
Hang on. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notification. We'll see you next time on our treasure home. The video's over. Goodbye. Time for lunch.
See y'all later.
Time for lunch.